Yippee! Welcome all to the Color Crush Show. Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. Yeah! They'll show you colors as they drive about. Yeah! So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah! Colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky. Yippee! Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect, yeah! So come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops.
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow.
Ta-da!
The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing, she's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes,
Yeah!
10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.
In the wonderful land of Truckopolis, our 7 friends are rushing to school.
Woo! Yeah!
The trucks are very excited today because they're learning all about the months of the year. The first month is January. We begin this month by celebrating the new year.
Yay! Yippee! Oops!
The second month of the year is February, when we celebrate our loved ones on Valentine's Day.
Aww!
The third month is March, when we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you follow a rainbow all the way to the end, you might find a leprechaun spot of gold.
Woohoo!
That one is just a picture, Boom Boom.
Oh!
The fourth month is April. April brings in spring.
Yes!
April is often very rainy. But as the old saying goes, April showers bring May flowers. Because May, the 5th month, is usually sunny and warm.
Uh-oh!
The 6th month of the year is June. June is often the start of summer vacation
Yeah! Woohoo!
and fun-filled days on the beach.
Uh-oh!
Well, June days are fun as long as you're not being chased by bees. The 7th month is July, when many people celebrate Independence Day. We celebrate with flags and barbecues and...
Uh-oh! Oops!
The 8th month is August, the hottest month of the year. In August, young monster trucks run the risk of overheating, unless they have plenty of fans.
Whoa!
September is the 9th month of the year. In September, monster trucks get to go back to school and learn so many wonderful things.
Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
The 10th month of the year is October. October is the spookiest month because it brings us all the scares of Halloween. But it also brings lots of candy.
Yahoo!
November is the 11th month. It brings us the Thanksgiving feast of yams and cranberry sauce and turkey.
Yeah!
That's not a turkey, Boom Boom.
Huh?
It's a chicken. And it is definitely not cooked. The 12th and final month of the year is December. December brings snow and winter games and lots of holidays.
Ta-da! Whoa! Uh-oh!
And then the months start all over again. Try to say them with me this time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Every Every month of the year is so exciting. Almost as exciting as learning.
Yeah!
Come back next time, won't you? You know the months of the year now, but you never know what we'll learn next.
In the wonderful land of Truckopolis, where monster trucks live, laugh, and play, 7 friends make their way home from school. This is Bolt.
Vroom vroom!
And Boom Boom.
Oops!
Ladybug.
Yahoo!
Ollie. Dragon.
Yeah!
Buzz. And Star.
Yay!
Coming upon an open field, the 7 friends decide to practice making the shapes they have just learned in school.
Yeah!
Bolt leads the way,
Yeah!
making a circle. Their tires are circles.
Yeah! Woohoo!
4 sides that are equal in length make a square. Sometimes squares are great for jumping.
Yippee! Whoa!
A 3-sided shape is a triangle. Triangles make excellent ramps.
Whoa! Yippee! Yahoo! Yippee! Yes! Oh!
2 short sides and 2 long sides make a rectangle. Garage doors are rectangles.
Yay!
A longer, skinnier circle is called an oval. Balloons are ovals.
Yeah! Ta-da! Whoa!
4 equal sides with matching wide and skinny angles is a diamond. Kites are diamonds.
Yeah! Woohoo!
8 equal sides make an octagon. A red octagon usually means stop.
Woohoo!
This shape, with 2 curves meeting in a point, is called a heart. This is the shape of friendship.
Ah!
2 lines that form a single curve is a crescent. The moon sometimes looks like a crescent. Of course, the moon might get lonely without this shape, the star. Learning shapes is great fun, but even monster trucks must head home to rest when the sun goes down,
Yes!
because there will be so much more to learn tomorrow.
Bye! Aha!
Good evening. I am Zero Martindale,
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
and we're here for another exciting night of mischief, mayhem, and hard trucking sports action.
Yes, we have a number of strong competitors tonight.
Yup, 5 trucks, 20 wheels, all revved up and ready to go. Competitor number 1 is Bolt. Bolt is all about fulfilling his needs for speeds. Okay, that sounded better there.
Then we have competitor number 2, Boom Boom. Boom Boom is known for great enthusiasm. Always excited, always lovable. If he only paid a little more attention while on the course. Yep, he's a clumsy one.
Next up on the lineup is competitor number 3, Ladybug. Don't be fooled by her sweet girly exterior. Ladybug is fearless,
loves to do tricks and is unafraid of getting her tires muddy.
Then we have competitor number 4, Ollie. Ollie's got the brains all right, but he's very cautious. I am not sure how he'll do in a show like this.
Finally, we have competitor number 5, Dragon. Dragon's ready to breathe some fire tonight. He's strong, tough, and loves to be the center of attention. There's no bigger fan of Dragon than Dragon himself.
Well, that's enough talk. Time for some action! Ready for the countdown 0?
You bet! And we're going to count down backwards from 10 like we always do.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First up is Bolt. Bolt's gonna wow all of us tonight by attempting to do 10 laps around the course in 10 seconds.
Yeah!
And he's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm sorry, Joe. Did something just happen? I must have blinked my eyes and missed it. Next up is Boom Boom. Oops. As we said, Boom is not always the best when it comes to this little thing called paying attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next up is Ladybug.
Yes!
She's gonna knock our socks off tonight by jumping through 10. That's right, 10 flaming hoops. My, she is playing with fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, Ladybug can do anything the boys can do. Whoa! Next up is Ollie. Can you believe he's going to attempt to jump over 10, I repeat, 10 automobiles tonight?
I won't believe it till I see it, Zero.
Look at him. He's counting each car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like Ollie changed his mind. What a bummer. I hope he tries again.
This just in. Since Ollie has decided to sit this one out, Dragon is going to take his place and perform the jump instead.
Yeah!
And here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did it!
Thank you for joining us for another night of Monster Truck Mayhem. I'm Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're signing off. Make sure you tune in next time. We'll be counting on you.
Yeah! That was awesome! Please subscribe for some more trucking fun!